Welcome. In this video I will show you how to set up the headset for Alienware Aurora 16 for gaming. So there are two ways to connect your headset. You can either use Bluetooth if your headset supports Bluetooth, or you can use a cable. In my case, I'm going to be using these not very gaming headphones. But they support both the jack connection and the Bluetooth. Now, first of all, if you want to connect your headset using Bluetooth, you have to activate your headphones. Then you're gonna have to put it into the pairing mode, and after that, to connect it to your PC, you have to open the control center. Then go to Bluetooth, make sure that Bluetooth is enabled, and select your Bluetooth headset right here. Now, this way you will connect both the microphone and the audio of your headset. And we can test the microphone and audio. Well, the audio can be tested right away. You just have to move the slider and check whether you hear something. To check the microphone, we have to go to sound, to settings, then system, then sound, then in input select your headset, and then just go to the headset settings, click start test, and try speaking into your microphone. And this way you will get to know whether or not your microphone is recording properly. And try speaking into your microphone. And as you can hear, the microphone worked just fine. Now, this is in case we connected the headset using Bluetooth. However, your device might not be a Bluetooth headset but a cabled one. Now, in order to connect a cabled headset to our laptop, we have to prepare a mini jack cable, a 3.5mm jack cable, and insert it into the port on the left edge of the laptop. Make sure that it sits firmly. Now, in which device we want to plug in, make sure to select headset with microphone. Click OK. And then, in case your cable is detachable, you have to connect it, the other side of it, into your headset. Okay, and right now they are ready to go, except for they do not record sound in my case. And if you got stuck with this issue, then you're gonna have to check your cable. So here is my cable crown, and if you take a look at it, you will see that it's divided into three sections, into three golden stripes. So now the top and the middle stripe are responsible for left and right headphone. The bottom part is responding for grounding, so it's not very important. And if you want to use headphones with the microphone by connecting them to the mini jack port, you can actually do that, except for you're gonna need to get yourself a different cable with a different crown that is divided not into three but into four sections. Because the dedicated, usually if your headphones have the undetachable cable, then the cable that you're using will most probably be this cable that supports microphones, and your cable crown will look differently from mine. But if the cable is detachable and you try to connecting your headset to your computer via cable and your microphone isn't working, now you know why. Because you need to get yourself a four-striped jack cable instead of the regular one, because only these ones support the additional input channel, which works for voice recording. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.